Hello, this is the Shaggy Sissy Pants Show. I am Shaggy Sissy Pants. This is part 2 of the Technic build of the solar system, well, at least Earth and the Sun. We got the base done in the last video. It's pretty crazy. This is one of the most technical ones I've done so far. So let's get to the next part. And the next part is... I need one of those. I need 2 of these. I need 2 of these. There's 2 of those. 1 of those. And 2 of these. Okay. So let's put it on top. Go over here. Okay. So we got this up here. These are going here. Okay. So now we got this guy. Alright. Next I need this. 2 of these. Two of these. Okay, then we need one of these mammoth arms. Put that down here, like so. And then we need 2 of these. 2 of these. Oh, no, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Sideways. Then we take one of these. Two That's none. Okay. So next, we need one of these. One of these. One of these. Okay, so we put this here. We put this here. We put this. Goes on top. This one. Okay. Then we need this one. This one. Another one of these. And one of those. Again, take this. Put it in here. That goes in that. And then put this in here. And then put that down here. Like so. Alright. Then we need two of these. Two of those. And this piece right here. Throw it away. These. That goes into here. Like that. And we put this into here. Like that. And we put another one on the other side. Okay. So then we got one of these T-jobbies. That's a technical term. Put that in here. And then we add another one of these doubles, or two-sided black connectors. Okay. Then we take this guy through here. Oh, whoops, slow down. First we put on this yellow blocker. And then we put on this beige gear down to the bottom. Then we put it in here. And then we put this guy on here. One of those two-sided with a hole in the middle white jobbies. Like so. Okay. Now we turn it like this. And we put this right. Big jerk, come on. Ta-da! Alright, so we got that in there. And now, we slide this all in there. pretty wicked. Pretty wicked. Okay. Keep going. We're at instruction number 54 at this point. That's a little jabby. Yeah. And then you stick them into here. And then we put 2 of these down here. These red pieces, crosses at the bottom, at the ends, circle in the middle. Got 2 of those on there. Oh, let me make another one of these. Don't know why they told us to do it this way, but whatever. Stick that in there, like so. Then you got this long guy. Where is he? Put him with one of these. Locker nuts on the end. This says it's 7 pieces long. That goes in the middle like so. Whoa, watch out, watch out. Blue 3-hole piece on top of that. And then this goes into here. Like so. I think we're making a submarine. No, we're not. Okay, so then we push this down, and there's another gear. Okay. Crap. That's the best way to do this. Okay, there we go. About time. Okay. Da, da, da. So then we have to go one of these. One of those. No. Yes. And one of those. And then we put this on here. Then we put this on here. And this goes on to here. Okay, look at that. Da, 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 da. We need 4 of these guys. I need 2 of these. Oh. There's that one. And there's that. So now we put this up here. We have this up here. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. This is intense. So then we put this in. That's that. That is good. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. Got that in there. Oh, come on. Ay. That's in there. Stick these in there. In there. Okay. Okay. Like that. Holy crap, this is intense. Just like camping. Oh, we're almost done. Okay. Well, there's another wheel we need. We're missing a wheel. Holy crap, Ollie. Alright, this concludes part of the set number 2. We're going to take a brief intermission and we'll be back in a moment. I'm a dirty liar. There's more. Okay. together. Putting some white pieces together, flat bricks, curved bricks together. We got some of these. Those. Some gray pieces with the holes in them. Okay, and then we got some of these little angled pieces. Alright, there's that. I need 2 of these. And 4 of these. There we go. Oh, okay. Put one here. Put it in here. And here. What? Oh. There's that. There's this. What the hell? Okay, so we do these. And there. Okay. Okay. And those are out like that. Alrighty then. Oh, you gotta do that 2 times. Crapola, okay. Alright, so I go back here. Oopsie. Get this in here. That's not gonna work. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now we are really done with stage 2 of the Sun and Moon Technic Lego set. We'll take a brief admission before, so we can get ready for the next stage. Thanks for watching. See you real soon.